Hi, family and friends. I have something that you need. Something to transform your hair, your skin. Monicheriorganics. Made of wonderful essential oils and organic oils that promote hair growth, texturizing, softening the most brittle hair. I should know. I dyed my hair for millions, felt like millions. Dyed my hair forever. Broke off, grew back, broke off, grew back. I needed a solution. This is the answer. Monisha Reed's hair growth oil. And then, oh, the body butter. Oh, can be used on both hair and skin to nourish, provide therapeutic relief for all of your problems. Curl enhancer for my curly hair people, men and women. Anybody can use it, boys and girls. Get yours now. Moni Cherie Organics. Luxury, effective, natural, essential, and organic, just for you.